Okay, Parnavi, what is today's activity?
Today activities yes, 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 certain activities.
Good. Which letter is this, Parnavi?
L,
Okay, what is the sound of L?
L, L, L.
Pick up one picture beginning with letter L. What is that?
Ladder.
Good. Keep there. Keep near L. Okay. Next, which letter is this?
Yes.
What is the sound of H? Okay. Pick up one picture beginning with letter H. Search. H letter object. What is that?
Heart.
Good. Keep near H. Next, which letter is this?
Yeah.
What is the sound of F? Okay, pick up one picture beginning with letter F. Sound, first sound. What is that?
Face.
Good. Keep near F letter. Next, which letter is this?
T.
What is the sound of T? T. Good. Pick up one picture beginning with letter T. What is that?
Curtain.
Good. Keep near letter T. Keep near T. Hmm. Good, Parnavi. Claps all of you for Parnavi. Next, Danush, come here.
My name is Dhanush. I am studying in Yampu Dasarini. My school name is Greenwood International School.
Okay. Danush, what is today's activity?
Today's activity, Ravi Rachi activity.
Okay. Danush, which letter is this?
L.
What is the sound of L? Good, Danush. Pick up one picture. Begin with letter L. What is that? Good. Keep near L. Next, which letter is this? What is the sound of H? Okay, pick up one picture. Begin with letter H. Search. What is that? Good. Keep near H. Next, Danush, which letter is this? What is the sound of F? Good. Pick up one picture. Begin with letter F. What is that? Good. Next, which letter is this? What is the sound of T? Pick up one picture beginning with letter T. What is that? Keep near T. Go and sit. Clap for Danush, all of you.